YanYang IoT Technology Company, Limited, established in 2015, focuses on the research and development, design, and production of intelligent BMS, cool-off meters, and energy IoT products. It is a national high-tech enterprise and an ISO 9001 certified enterprise. Our main products include hardware BMS, smart BMS, series parallel BMS, active balancing BMS, magnetic retention BMS, cool-off meters, energy storage, and more. Whether in consumer electronics, electric vehicles, or industrial applications, we provide customers with comprehensive battery solutions to ensure battery safety during outdoor operation. A research and development team with over 10 years of industry experience, including embedded software development engineers, microcontroller development engineers, and several senior hardware engineers. The company is committed to the research and design of lithium battery management systems and digital energy monitoring services, providing customers with high-quality products. We have over 30 patents, 80 product certificates, and quality reports. Our company has a well-established testing laboratory, with expertise in BMS basic testing, reliability, aging, vibration, tensile testing, high and low temperature testing, as well as ink and enamel testing. We also provide reliable quality assurance in terms of wind pulling and positioning. We have a professional and efficient sales team, a strong procurement team, and a thoughtful after-sales service team to jointly ensure the provision of excellent products and professional services to customers. We have an industry-leading fully automated SMT production line, a dust-free production workshop, a comprehensive product production testing system, and product quality far exceeding industry standards. The product is widely used in various power tool scenarios, such as electric bicycles, electric motorcycles, electric tricycles, electric quadcycles, AGVs, electric forklifts, and other electric vehicles. The product is also widely used in the global energy storage field, such as home energy storage systems, UPS backup power supplies, communication base station power supplies, etc. Every YanYang person is full of love and dedication to work. We always adhere to the highest standards for ourselves, striving to achieve the best in every detail of product development and production, as well as in product quality control. We have ensured product quality and won the trust and praise of our customers. We have sufficient product reserves and fast delivery speed. For customer orders, we will ship the products in the shortest possible time and strictly control the quality of the products. Each product undergoes strict quality testing. Choosing us means choosing to be confident, satisfied, and efficient. YanYang IoT Technology Company, Limited looks forward to cooperating with you and creating a brilliant future together.